Let's take a look at this problem. It says to solve the problem on your whiteboard, show all of your work. And we have this reminder: divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down, and repeat. Okay, our problem is 71 divided by 21. We need to rewrite that. First step, rewrite that on our whiteboard. So let's take 71 and divide by 21. All right, so our dividend is 71 and our divisor is 21. We need to find the quotient, the answer to this division problem. Okay, so can I put 21 into 7? I cannot do that, so I have to look at 21 going into 71. Okay, my first step is to divide. I'm going to think, how many times can I put 21 into 71? Well, I don't know my 21 facts off the top of my head, but I can certainly do a trial and error. I can try and see. So down here, you're going to see me do some scratch work. 21, and I'm going to start out by saying 21 times, I'm going to say 4. And the reason I'm saying that is because I know if there was 20, I know 5 times 20 is 100, and we're not going that far. Okay, so let's see here. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. Ooh, 84. That's too high. We can't go over our dividend. So it's too high. I have to go 1 less. So let's try 21 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to now move to my multiplying step. 3 times 21, and we just did that, was 63. I need to do some subtraction. Okay, and it looks like I need to do some regrouping. Make this a 6. All right, so now I have 11 take away 3, which is 8. And 6 take away 6, which is nothing. And I'm left with 8. Now, I check my work. 3 times 21 is 63. Did my subtraction. Bring down. I don't have anything left to bring down. Okay? And I can't repeat. So I am done with this problem. My quotient's going to be 3 with a remainder of 8, or I could write it as 3 and 8 over 21. This is the mixed number. Something else I really quick want to point out. When your remainder is less than your divisor, then you know you're okay. But if my remainder was equal to or more than my divisor, then I would have had to bump up my quotient, my multiple, okay? In this case, we're good, but I just wanted to point that out. So the answer is 3, remainder 3, or 3 and 8 over 12, or 8 over 21, pardon me.